Alright guys, John Chicken Ship Farms again. Today we're at Superior somebody, getting a load of I don't know what, to go to Concord, North Carolina to McLean. For any of you guys that know McLean, it really sucks, so I haven't been to any of their locations that are any good yet. But yeah, I was just sitting here this morning watching this little herd of deer come by. I imagine a lot of people really hunt them, so they probably don't have nothing to worry about. But this is a small little place. I don't know if they really have appointment times here. It's, according to the window, they're open 8 to 3. This is, according to my dispatch, it was 7 to 3, so who knows? I don't know. But this place is in Rome, Georgia. It's called Superior. And from what I can tell from a lot of the reviews, they're supposed to be pretty quick. So we're gonna see. I said anybody quick for Reefer is definitely a positive. Let's see. I didn't see any bucks in this group. Looks like it's all does. Well, we'll see. We've only been in the door for a few minutes. Got a nice little break area over there. They do have restrooms too, which is nice. Like I said, guys, I've been with this company now for almost a month. Hasn't been that long because I haven't got the other half of my bonus, which that's one good positive about this company is they give you a $5,000 sign-on bonus that they actually pay out within 30 days. Unlike some of these companies that say they offer you a sign-on bonus and it takes you a year. Like I was with Roehl Transport for a long time. And I mean, Roehl's a good company, great company to get started, and they have a great training program. Especially they're paid to get your CDL program. They'll actually pay you while you're in the program. They'll pay for all your school. They'll get you your CDL. They'll pay all the cost for it. The downside is that you have to commit and sign a contract to drive for them for 1 year or 120,000 miles, whichever one comes first. And that's fine. If you can do it. Obviously, you know, after 3 months experience, you're going to get more money almost anywhere. Now, with Roehl, they give you options to increase the amount of money you're making with their driver pay plan, which I always thought was a joke myself. Let's see, I leased with them. I went lease after I don't think I was with them 6 months, and I leased a truck because I mean, Roehl's great, safety-minded company. They're not going to make you do anything stupid, but they can be. They're very micromanaging. So I said I couldn't be a company driver for them. I knew it was either leave and have to pay them back for the school and everything, or lease a truck and finish my contract that way. I thought that would be better, and it was night and day difference between company and lease. I enjoyed being on the lease side. I think they really should have treated their company drivers with more respect than they did. I mean, the same people that treated me like dirt 5 minutes before I signed my lease contract were yes sir and no sir in me after I did. And I brought that up to them. I said, that's ridiculous. You shouldn't do that. So I don't know. But with this company that I'm with now, I don't like them. But that's just me. It's only been a month, but I've done more sitting with this group than I've done in all the years that I've been driving. This is ridiculous. I guess, I don't know. it may just be the way Reefer is. This is my first real stint with Reefer, but you do a lot of sitting. You get a little load and you're going to be on it for a long time. So I don't know. I guess they figure I need a 20-hour break every day. I don't know. But it's we'll see if anything changes. If not, this will be a short stint. But we appreciate it, guys. All right, guys. Like I said, it's Superior over here in Roehl, Georgia. 30 minutes. Unloaded. I'll pull around and grab my paperwork. And we're going to get this load headed toward Concord, North Carolina. I said it's can't deliver until 2 o'clock in the morning at McLean, but so we're going to get her over there, get parked, and get ready for tomorrow. Yeah, I said 30 minutes for a load on no appointment, kind of come as you go type place. That's pretty good, man. That's even better than some of the best I've had in dry van. So yeah, this place is definitely a win. Said where it's going is not. I said McLean. I haven't been to a good one of those ever. So I'm not looking forward to that, but this little place here is great. You can see the bathrooms right over there by the shipping office window. So it's another nice thing to have a bathroom at these places. But 30 minutes, man, that's great. Yeah, if y'all get a chance, see one of these loads on the board, I'd pick it up. But like I said, we'll see how it goes on the other end. Plane is awful. Oh well, buddies. We will catch you guys later. We appreciate everybody watching these videos. Hopefully they help somebody out there, either to avoid this place, not the shipper here, but